boy Willie TV, and 3 back another video today, man. Today. People stop believing in built cars, man. Listen, unless it like, I'm gonna get to what I'm talking about. So I just posted a video on my TikTok and Instagram. It's probably like 3 or 4 days before y'all see this video with my boy. His Veloster in, right? So the video was him calling out. I said, what cars you calling right now with this in? He was like, I'm calling out Scat Packs, 5.0s, and Camaro SS's. Everybody in the conversation like, I want what he's smoking. Like, this dude gotta be playing, right? He trolling or like it's like, bro, I can gap him in my somebody was like, I can gap him in my Lexus GS300 or something, or I can gap him in my Honda Accord, I can gap him in my mom's Camry. And it's like, and then on top of that, what makes it worse, on top of that, he said, let me know something, and my money right. I'm like that. I don't care what anybody says. If somebody walks up to me and say, I want to race you, and then say my money right, that's a red flag. That means do not race this nigga, because whatever's in that car, you are not winning. You're not winning. I don't care how stock the car look. I don't care how underrated the car is. I don't care what the car brand is. If somebody walks up to you in your face and say, I want to race your car, money in hand, cash, I got right money right now. I got money right now. I got that right money right now. Say hell no. Say hell no. I'm supposed to get off right here? Oh. Say hell no. Because whatever's in that car is taking your ass to Applebee's like this. These folks didn't even do their research. Y'all just click on his I tag everybody like I got their name and stuff. If you just click on their shit, he has a full bolt-on big turbo Veloster in. Inside that Veloster in is a big turbo and it's full bolt-on. Ain't no telling how much power this man really making. If somebody, what's the word I was looking for? If somebody confidently calls out a car and says my money is right, he know he can beat that car. Why would I not? Why would I race some car I know I can't beat? Why would I call out a car I know I can't beat? That makes 0 sense. Anyway, as I was saying though, people don't believe in built cars, or people don't think about other built cars. Now, if he had a BMW, or if he had a Hellcat, or if he had a Q50, or a G37, or a 5.0, them folks would be like, oh, that shit probably built. I know it ain't stock. Oh, he probably running a big turbo, full bolt-on stage 2, 3 plus. Oh, bro, you don't race him. He's so built because he drives a BMW. Oh, it's so built because the 5.0 racing people. Oh, it's so built because it's like, bro. Let me tell you the most dangerous cars you can ever race. Y'all thinking it's the Hellcats and the BMWs. Pull up next to a Civic with a laptop. Pull up next to a GTI. Pull up next to a Ford Focus ST. Them motherfuckers will snatch your shit up out of there. Pull up next to a Golf R. Pull up next to a Subaru that's built well. You know what I'm saying? I mean, Subaru, they kind of get respect in the tuning community, but it's like, you know, like, we gotta start using our head, bro. We gotta start using common sense. Common sense isn't common anymore. It's not. I don't think it ever was. And I think we need to take more accountability for that either. Like, stop saying shit common sense, because people just don't know. I've learned that all my life. Like, shit I see as common sense be not common at all. Be very rare. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just out here, I'm just yapping. Just yapping. But anyway, all I'm saying is, like, make it make sense. And stop thinking that just because a car isn't easy to make power. Well, let me get y'all right here. Boosted cars are easy. Any boosted car is able to make power for a small amount of money. That Veloster N, I think it's at 300 horses, maybe 256 horses, but it comes with a 2.0 liter turbo. that means full bolt-on, tune, E85, you can push about 300-400. Switch the turbos, I get a big turbo, we're probably talking 500 to the wheel. I don't know, I'm just throwing out numbers based on like just knowledge. But yeah, but I just came here to say like, start building different cars, bro. Oh shit, for me, Max. Start building different cars, man. Like, I love Beamers. I promise you, I love Beamers. I love Hellcats. I love Scats. I love SS. I love 5.0. I love to see them. But I see them all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like, and every time I see them, I love it. But it's like, give me something different. Look, something different. Like my last video, I was telling y'all folks that we don't build hatches. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We don't build old school. We don't build older cars. Like, we need that new. I feel like, I'll say that for another video, but I'll talk about like more real, like more like life situation type shit. This is my little podcast for real. So y'all let me know what y'all want me to talk about. I don't know how long this video is. I don't think this video too long. 7 minutes, that's long enough. But yeah, man. That's it, that's all. It's not, but like, if y'all ever want me to elaborate on something, leave down in the comments, tell me what y'all think. I might even read y'all comments so I can like piggyback off what you're talking about in the next video. Who knows? But we going up, man. This is we posting every other day, man. That's the type of shit I'm on right now. You know what I'm saying? I told myself I gotta take this shit serious, and I'm gonna start taking it serious. So y'all gonna get it uploaded very frequently. And my thumbnails are different. You know what I'm saying? So like, you gonna know every time you see my, just go to my channel right now. If you made the first part of the video, go to my channel, look at my thumbnails. Look at how I make my thumbnails. It's a distinct type of thumbnail. So you know, when you see my thumbnail on your home screen, click on it, 'cause I'm finna talk to you. I'm finna put you down, free. Until I pull up in that Hellcat. I don't really want to, bro, if I had, I don't know. If I had money, if I had like Quan money, oh, we're gonna talk about it in the next video. I don't know. If I had Quan money, I had rapper money, I think I only buy like one supercar. Like one, like a Porsche GT3 or something. Then after that, I'm going building all old school shit. And I'm gonna have that bitch riding so nice. You ain't never gonna ride in the new shit again. Like, I'm talking about suspension on 10,000. You floating in that bitch. You just feeling nice type shit. Anyway, that's the next build, man. I just feel like, yeah, but I'm talking about starting from build. I ain't finna buy no pristine shit. I'm talking about like, buy some clapped out shit. Bro, you know how many cars you could really have if you was making big money on like those folks, and you just buy clapped out shit for like 3,000-4,000. Well, clapped out shit be like 10 bands due at that point. You buy clapped out shit for like 4,000-5,000. New engine, new transmission, new drivetrain, on cosmetics, cosmetics, bro. We talking like, you buy trash shit at 3,000. Shit, about, you put 7,000 that bit, brand new car, like you just bought that bit right off the lot. But it's built with power and shit like that. Anyway, we gonna get, bro, when I get money out like that, I'll probably be buying cars, building them, and then selling them joints and this, like, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I done talk your heads off. I'm not, wait, I let, yo, what is it, 9 minutes? I done talk 2 extra minutes. I'll be damn. Anyway, alright, y'all, I got you one, get you one, you ain't got you one. You better get you one, cause damn, give me one. If I get mine for you, yours, I'm gonna tell the city up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You watch the whole video, I fuck with you. If you made this far to, you know, put like, put W yapping in the comments, man. W yapper. The W yapper. I'm the yappiest, for real. Alright, we got it, bit. Free.